In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trading strategy that can make you up to $120 per day trading crypto. I'll walk you through the exact setup, the indicators you need, and how to execute this strategy step by step on Bybit. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, step number 1, sign up for an exchange. For this strategy, we're going to be using Bybit. This is one of my main exchanges for derivatives trading, and they're offering some insane bonuses right now, up to 30,000 USDT in trading bonuses. If Bybit is not available in your country, you can use WEEX as an alternative, and the best part, WEEX doesn't require KYC verification for basic trading. I'll link both down below, but for this video, we'll be using Bybit. To sign up to Bybit and claim up to 30,000 USDT in bonuses, click the link at the top of the description. You will be taken to the sign up page where you simply enter your email, create a strong password, and create an account. You will need to complete KYC verification on Bybit to enjoy all the services on their platform. Personally, I have no issues with KYC. It's quick and secure, but if you prefer a non-KYC option, that's why I've provided WEEX as an alternative below. Step number 2 is depositing funds. Let me show you how to deposit funds before we jump into the strategy. Go to the top right corner, then click deposit. Choose the coin you want to deposit. I recommend USDT and select the correct blockchain network. Make sure you choose the right network to avoid losing your funds. Confirm the details, then scan the QR code or copy the deposit address to transfer your funds from your wallet or another exchange. If you want to deposit using fiat currency, click Buy Crypto at the top of the menu, then select one-click buy. Choose your currency, enter the amount, and after that, select your payment method. Once your funds are deposited, it's time to open a position. Step number 3 is opening your first position. Click Trade in the top menu, then select Futures. This will take you to the trading interface. Choose the asset you want to trade in the upper left corner. For this example, I'll use BTC/USDT, but you can trade any altcoin here if you want. Select your order type, limit or market. I recommend starting with market orders for instant execution. Enter your trade details such as quantity and price. Next, choose your leverage type. You can use cross margin or isolated margin. Now, you might also see a third option called portfolio margin, but this is for professional traders. So if you're just starting out, skip this. Personally, I use isolated margin because it limits your risk to only that specific position. You can use up to 100 times leverage on Bybit, but it's important to not use high leverage because it's high risk. For beginners, I recommend starting with 5 times to 10 times leverage maximum until you're comfortable. If you're very advanced, you could go up to maybe 25 times. Confirm your order details, then click long if you think price will go up, or short if you expect the price to go down. For this example, I'll click long. Once your order is filled, you can view it under the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. Now that you know how to use derivatives on Bybit, let's move on to the actual strategy. Now, step number 4, and this is important, you need to get a TradingView account. The link will be down below in the description to TradingView. You can use the free version, and it's perfectly fine for this strategy. The only limitation is that the free version allows you to use only 2 indicators at a time. Now, for this strategy, we're going to be using 4 EMAs. TradingView will count each EMA as a separate indicator, so to use all 4, you'll need the Pro version. If you decide to go Pro and unlock multiple indicators, click the link below to get a small discount on TradingView Pro. With the Pro version, you can add as many indicators as you want, which is what we'll need for this strategy. First, go to the Indicators tab at the top of your chart and type EMA. Select the exponential moving average indicator. We're going to add 4 different EMAs with 4 different lengths and colors. Here's how to set them up. Click on the settings icon next to the EMA indicator, then go to Inputs, first EMA, set the length to 8 and change the color to blue, second EMA, set the length to 13 and change the color to green. Third, EMA, set the length to 21 and change the color to yellow. Fourth, EMA, set the length to 55 and change the color to red. I also recommend increasing the thickness of the lines so they're easier to see on the chart. Once you've set up all 4 EMAs, your chart should look like this. Now here's how the strategy works. The key to this strategy is waiting for the EMAs to align in a specific order. For a long position, you want to see the EMAs stacked in this order from top to bottom. First, the blue EMA must be on top, then the green EMA, after that, the yellow EMA, and lastly, the red EMA. When the EMAs are aligned like this, it signals a strong uptrend, and that's your signal to go long. Look at this example here. You can see the EMAs are perfectly aligned, blue, green, yellow, red. If you would have bought Bitcoin right here, you would have made a nice profit as the price continued to move up. Now for a short position, you want to see the opposite order, red EMA on top. Below that is the yellow EMA, and then the green EMA, then the blue EMA must be at the bottom. This signals a strong downtrend, and that's when you open a short position. Here's another example. The red line crossed over the blue line, indicating a potential bearish trend. If you would have shorted Bitcoin here, you would have made profit as the price dropped. Now, here's the important part. You need to wait for the EMAs to be in perfect order. Don't jump in too early. If the lines are crossing or mixed up, that means the market is choppy and you should stay out. See here, the EMAs are all mixed up. Red, yellow, green, blue, in random order. This is not the time to trade. You wait until they align properly. You can use this strategy on different time frames. I recommend the 4-hour chart for swing trades or the 15-minute chart if you want to scalp and make quicker trades throughout the day. And that's basically it. That's the complete strategy. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you a few tips to maximize your success with this strategy. Tip number 1, be patient and don't force trades. Wait for the EMAs to align perfectly before entering. The best trades are the ones you wait for. Tip number 2, start small. If you're new to leverage trading, start with small position sizes and low leverage until you get comfortable with how it works. Tip number 3, always use a stop loss. I can't stress this enough. Never enter a trade without a stop loss. It's your safety net. Tip number 4, practice on the 15-minute chart first. You'll get more signals throughout the day, which means more practice and faster learning. And tip number 5, keep a trading journal. Write down every trade you take, your entry, exit, profit, loss, and what you learned. This will help you improve over time. If you follow this strategy consistently and manage your risk properly, you can absolutely make $120 per day or even more. And that's it, guys. That's the complete 4 EMA strategy for making $120 per day trading crypto. If you want to start using this strategy right now, click the link at the top of the description to sign up for Bybit and claim your 30,000 USDT in trading bonuses if Bybit isn't available in your country. Use WEEX, no KYC required, and the same 30,000 USDT bonus. And if you want more details on how Bybit and WEEX platforms work, check out the video popping on screen right now for a full walkthrough. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more trading tutorials and daily crypto analysis. I'll see you in the next one.